Hello everyone, today I will show you how to connect your Samsung Tab S2 with your Sony 4K TV. Here in front of me you can see that the TV is 55 inches widescreen 4K TV. Just now I have booted it up. So after starting the TV for screen mirroring, okay, go to source. Here in the remote, here you can see this is the source or input. You can say anything, whichever is convenient for you. Go to source. In source you go to screen mirroring. Here just press OK. That is the center button of the remote here, cursor. Okay, now you can see the screen. When you see the screen, take your tab. Here you can see in your tab, here you have a option as Smart View. Here you can see this is Smart View. Just touch that. Here you will see the screen, the page, and you will see the, just a moment, actually previously I had connected it, so it is showing directly. In your tab, drag it from the top. Here you will see Smart View, this icon, Smart View. Turn it on. So here you will see the TV model. Just touch on the TV model. It's trying to connect now. Let's wait. If it does not connect, try restarting your tab. Just a moment, I will show it. Reboot. After restart, drag it down, touch on the Smart View, and on the model of TV it's shown here. Okay. Okay, now your tab is connected. As you can see, it's not showing full screen. Maybe around 6 inches the right side and 6 inches on the left side is not been filled, because this tab is of square. Whatever the screen ratio, that is resolution ratio, will be of the screen of the tab or the smartphone, the same thing will be displayed on the TV, whether it is 4K or Full HD, etc. As this you can see, this tab is of little bit square, not wide on, so it is showing the wide square screen there. Now here in this you can access whatever pages you wish. As you use it on the tab, you can same thing, you can work on the using it on. Sometimes if it doesn't configure, doesn't get connected, see that you will restart the TV and check. Restarting both tab as well as TV will solve the problem. The large screen. Hope this video has helped you in configuring screen mirroring of your tab onto the Sony 4K TV. If this video is useful for you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video, and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.